So, good morning, ma'am. So, Miss, good morning, Miss. So, this is the
Morning.
submission of Made Defense Report, the Article 234 of the Revised Penal Code. So, first is refusal to discharge elective office. So, the penalty of refusal to discharge elective office is arresto mayor or a fine not exceeding 1,000 pesos or both shall be imposed upon any person who, having been elected by popular election to a public office, shall refuse without legal motive to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of said office. So, muna siya may totoo siya, punishes a person elected to a public office who refuses without legal one, ato ang makutangan para namin kay ikaw ang mayor, kaya wala nang ilang panang ng trabaho, so makasuhan ka o refusal to discharge the office. So the element is that the offender is elected by popular election to a public office. So ikaw dapat kanang ikaw kapagadaog pag mayor nimo so electionan niyo ka. So lagi ka og electoral process ba. Second is that he refused to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of said office. So after being proclaimed the winner, the elected person must formally take an oath. So take an oath after winning sa usa ka election. Next is there is no legal motive for such refusal to be sworn. So usa ka mayor unya wala ka trabaho tungod kay wa kay ganahan, ikapoyra ka o kung sa rason nimo nga dili sa legally documented nga pagka kung sa man may mga rason dira dili kana wala kay medical certificate nga gikan sa kakuan.
Valid.
Di bawal na siya nga mo di ka mo trabaho tungod kay imo lang kapoyra.
Dili valid yung reason.
So the next is the article 235. So the maltreatment of prisoner, so katulad siya ang pag-maltreat sa prisoner. Diba? The penalty of prison correctional in its medium period. So the penalty is prison correctional in its medium period for prison mayor in its minimum period. So in addition to his liability for the physical injuries or damage caused shall be imposed upon a public officer or employee who shall overdo himself in the correction handling of a prisoner or detention prisoners under his charge by the imposition of punishments not authorized by the regulations. So katulad siyang mga kwanta na kung nga kaso ang nakabiyon sa atong maltreatment o karang pagkabusar sa imong power sa isip sa ka warden na bitaw or police officer na bitaw nga imong gibusar ang mga kwan manakit ka imong pagtukman nimo mo ang bartulinahon mo ana ba. If the purpose of the maltreatment is to extort or a confession or to obtain some information from the prisoner, the offender shall be punished of prison mayor. So, kung purpose lang yung magyakuan, kung pagkatan, kung mo sa kawatan ng statement ba, or pangkunan mo sa pamalit at pugos, makasuhan sa prison mayor in its new period of temporarily special disqualification and a fine not exceeding 6,000 pesos. In addition to his liability for the physical injuries or damage caused as amended. So the elements sa Article 235 is that the offender is public officer or employee. So dapat usa ka kakuan, warden ka, police officer ka, jail guard ka, muna siya. Next, number 2, that he has under his charge a prison or detention. So the public officer must have a direct responsibility for the custody of the prisoner. So number 3 is that he maltreats such prisoners in either of the following manner. So the imposition kanang kung sa may mga malabag niya kanang kuan ba kanang gitawag dito the imposition of punishment not authorized by regulations. So kung sa'y naka-authorize kung sa'y nakasulat dito nga need mo nga himo siya sa kanang kuan mo mo dili na pwede mag-ubiyang na kay naman siya yung mga kuan kanang authorized by regulations kanang itong regulation na sunod ba kasi pagahimo sa amonay din ng pasobrahan. So, next is the Article 236. So the anticipation of duties of a public officer. So any person who shall assume the performance of the duties and powers of any public office or employment without first being sworn or required by law shall be suspended from such office or employment until he shall have complied with the respective formalities and shall be fined from 100 to 700 pesos. So the anticipation of public officer Kuha siya. Anticipation, baka na kita ang dili pa nimo kanang wala pa ka nahuman sa mga pangailangan bitaw para mo take out, mo kanta og band, nya mo trabaho bitaw ka muna na nga pagkabutan mo ka kanang excitement sa trabaho ba, gusto na mo trabaho dili pa ka formally kuan, wala pa nabutang wala pa nimo nahimo ang mga kailangan mo on. So, the elements that the offender is entitled to hold a public office or employment, either by election or appointment. So, means the person has been legally chosen or appointed. So, dapat legally appointed yung buga or the electoral process o yuga. Next is that the law requires that he should first be sworn in or should he have first give a bond. So, dapat sworn ka kanang nanumpa ka ba sa imong posisyon, imong tarungan, imong trabaho. O kaning bond po para sa kuwara, para sa mga kuan siya ba? Para sa mga ligagan ka o kana bitawang kanang treasurer ka, treasurer ka. Need ka mo kanong bond para nang mukuha ka sa imong kaugalingong money ba kay imo impose sa kunsa kan banding agency man sa kunsa na imo na sa kaugalingong parta na mihatag dito nga in case nga makalingkod ka unya og nakay para nang bawalaan ka kanang bawalaan yung pundo. Pwede siya makakuha kung imong karta nito imong gibutang na diri ng. So, the municipal treasurer might be required to post a bond of 100,000 pesos bond. If they steal funds, that bond can be used to repay the lost money. So, di ba, ikaso mo sa mga treasurer
Ay pundo.
Hindi ka pundo ba? Imong gagawin ng kwarta ba? Para in kaso sa imong trabaho, kung nakalakses, mawalaan na ikartas kung yung gibutan dito ng imong kwarta, ibalik sa pundo ba? Even without taking an oath, person starts acting like they are in position. So, bisa wala pa ka ni take oath. Gamanumando na ka to, gamanubot na ka, gamanpirma na ka mga kuhan, mga gamanpirma na ka mga pinirmahan ba, katrabaho na sa imong gisudlan ba. Pero ito, dili pa ka legally nakaputang balidara. So, last limit is the Article 237. So, the prolonging performance of duties and powers. So, any public officer who shall continue to exercise the duties of power of his office, employment, or commission beyond the period. So, patuloy siyang mutrabaho dyan ka, bisag humanay mong termino ba? Kasi humanay mong term kanin, trabaho dyan ka, muna yung mukhaan kaning Section 237, the prolonging of performance of duties and powers. So, provided by law, regulations or special provisions acceptable to the case shall suffer the penalties of prison correctional. So the penalty is prison correctional in this medium period. So special temporary disqualifications in its minimum period and in fine is 500 pesos. So the elements sa kaning kanang gawin ng duty mo ka bisan humanay mo kan elements are that the offender is holding a public office. So the person so, patungkad, dapat anak ko na ibang kagaling ng office, bitaw ang nalagi ang trabahoan niya. Dapat balik mo kasi ng trabahoan, kumanay mong term. So, that the period provided by law, regulations, or special provisions for holding the office as or expired. So, balik din sa iyang elements, pero dapat, expired ba, for expired, that he continues to exercise the duties and power of his office. So, bisa expired na ka, magmandong ito dito ba? So, that he continues to exercise the duties and powers of his office. So, bisa kumanay mong turn, pero magpagirma dyan kung ganito sa mga pirmahan sa trabaho sa nga, di na imuha kay kanina bago. Niya, kanang kapalugo-lugo mo nga ba? So, that's all, mate. Thank you.